Now we will talk about fill in the blanks. Now in filling the blanks, the concept is almost the same. First we need to underline the right keyword. So keywords, guys, are very, very important. So always underline these keywords. So the question is, some food plants including dash are already grown indoors. So here more or less everything is important. So but still we underline some as the main word and grown indoors, already grown indoors. So what happens is, when we are underlining these things, then we are more focused as to what we have to look for. Else what we are doing, we are looking for everything, which is not possible in a way to find the correct answer. If you look for a specific thing, said yes, we are goal-centric, we know what to do. Correct? Already grown indoors, some and already grown indoors. So come back to the passage. It says here, second paragraph, the concept of indoor farming. This one right now. The concept of indoor farming is not new. So not new means is already grown indoors. Since hothouse production of tomatoes and other produce has been in vogue for some time. Okay. So it says there's a concept of some food plants. Now try to relate this. Some food plants including something already grown indoors. Okay. So some food plants were, it says other produce is related to some food plants, and blank it says what should come in the blank? Some tomatoes. Okay, so the pronunciation is tomatoes. Tomatoes. It is not tomatoes, it is tomatoes. Okay, got it? Clear? Now second question is, vertical farms would be located. So the keyword here is located. Would be located.
Vertical farm.
Not vertical farms, because see, vertical farms will be there in every paragraph. The passage is about vertical farming. So it is very difficult to relate that word with any other word. You'll not be, then you'll be confused, because you'll get this word in every paragraph, almost every paragraph. Vertical farms would be located in dash, meaning that there would be less need to take long distances to customers. So another keyword is would be less need to take long distances to customers. That's a complete phrase. Okay, now look at this paragraph. Immediately after this, from here, last line of the second paragraph, the concept of multi-story buildings in which food crops are grown in environmentally controlled conditions situated in the urban centers, they would drastically reduce the amount of transportation. It says there would be need to take their long distances to customers. It is related to drastically reduce the amount of transportation. And then it says would be located in, where it would be located? Urban centers. Okay, so the answer here will be urban centers. Now are we clear on these two questions?
Yes.
So what I want you to do is start doing the questions which are followed after this.
So how to identify that?
Keyword. See, the keyword is, when we read the passages, try to think. So whenever you see the heading of the passage, okay, from the heading of the passage, you can very well relate that this particular word is already there in the heading. For example, for this one, it says crop growing skyscrapers. Okay. And the questions are, so when you read it, actually, the keyword, there's no particular method when we say about a keyword. What we have to remember, in case of keywords, that any word which you think is not related to the passage completely is sometimes it can be an adjective, an adverb also, sometimes a proper noun. Underline that. So this will come automatically when you practice what can be the keyword. Okay? So but with practice we'll be able to get that. Got that? Any confusion so far, guys? No? Great. So let's do practice. Amatik, sorry, Kunal, stop it.